Unlock the full creative potential of CapCut Pro on your PC without reaching for your wallet. Many users wonder if there's a way to use CapCut Pro for free on PC. And the answer is yes. With some clever and legitimate strategies today, we'll explore these methods so you can elevate your video editing game. Our first approach involves taking advantage of free trial periods. CapCut, like many premium software providers, often offers a limited-time free trial of its Pro version. This is your golden ticket to explore all those advanced features without any commitment. Keep your eyes peeled for promotional offers and bundles. Software companies frequently partner up or run special campaigns, sometimes including extended access to Pro features as part of a larger package. Following CapCut's official social media channels or signing up for their newsletter is a great way to stay informed about these opportunities. To begin, head over to the official CapCut website, locate the download section for the PC version. Once installed, you'll typically find prompts within the application to either subscribe or start a free trial. Click on the option that indicates a free trial. You'll likely need to create an account or log in. If you already have one, read the terms and conditions of the trial carefully, noting the duration and any auto-renewal policies. During your trial, dive deep into the Pro features. Experiment with advanced editing tools, premium effects, and iPort enhancements that aren't available in the free version. This is the perfect time to see if the Pro subscription truly meets your video editing needs. Remember to mark your calendar before the trial ends if you decide you don't want to continue with a paid subscription. Be sure to cancel before the trial period concludes to avoid any unwanted charges. This ensures you've enjoyed CapCut Pro completely free within the trial window. By utilizing these legitimate methods, you can experience the power of CapCut Pro on your PC for free. Happy editing!